Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a solidly built 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom split level house in the salubrious climate of Montgomery, Stony Hill St Andrew. This 4,000 square feet house sits on a little over 3/4 of an acre of sloping and level land. Although built as a single family home, it may be used as a multifamily unit as it is divided into 3 self-contained units. Reside in one and rent 2 for additional income, or rent all units to maximize on income earnings. It is separated as follows with different entrances: 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, living and dining, along with kitchen, 2 bedrooms, master with walk-in closet, 2 bathrooms, along with living, dining room, kitchen, and washroom. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchenette with outdoor wash tubs. It has a carport with additional parking on the paved driveway with entrance through an electronic gate. There are lovely views of the city in the distance. It is landscaped and well fruited with bananas, pear, coconut, naseberry, and lychee. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.